Subscribe now to Worth Old Coin Value, the place where forgotten coins come back to life and reveal the stories they've carried across decades. Today's coin is something many collectors overlook until it's too late. Imagine holding a coin that has traveled through the markets of Dubai, the trading ports of the Gulf, the busy pockets of workers far from home, and the silent keepsakes of collectors who knew its worth before the world did. This coin, United Arab Emirates 1 Dirham coin of the year 1998, also marked with the Islamic year 1419, is more than metal. It is a story of a young nation forming its identity and stepping into the modern era with pride. This coin was minted at a time when the UAE was rapidly transforming from a developing desert nation into a global center of business, finance, and modern living. The dirham itself had already become a trusted symbol of stability in the region, used by merchants, travelers, and families building their future. A 1998 dirham passed through hands that were working hard, dreaming big, and shaping the country we recognize today. When you look closely at this coin, the elegant Arabic calligraphy isn't simply decoration. It reflects the cultural strength of the Emirates, a reminder that traditions were never lost in the wave of modernization. The number 1419, the Islamic Hijri year stamped on the coin, aligns with 1998 in the Gregorian calendar. Together, these dates mark a bridge between heritage and progress, a harmony that defines the UAE. On the reverse side, the iconic Arabic coffee pot stands proud, a symbol of hospitality and warmth. Anyone from the older generation knows the meaning of that pot. It represents gatherings, conversations, negotiations, family bonds, and the respect shared among people. For the 55-plus audience watching today, that coffee pot isn't just a design. It's a memory. It's your father greeting a guest. It's your uncle sharing news from the market. It's the warmth of a culture that has always valued generosity. Now imagine this coin circulating in the late 90s, an era before smartphones, before the glittering skyline reached its modern height, and before many of today's young population were even born. This coin is a witness to the transformation of the UAE. Every scratch, every mark, and every worn edge tells a chapter in its journey. Collectors around the world appreciate these older dirham coins not only for their craftsmanship, but also for their historical placement. Many collectors from India, Pakistan, the UAE, and across the Gulf search for clean, well-preserved pieces dated 1998 because the minting numbers were lower compared to heavily circulated modern issues. While most of these coins remain common in use condition, the untouched, crisp, uncirculated ones are far harder to find. And in the world of coin collecting, rarity isn't only about how many were minted. It's about how many survived in excellent condition. For many of you who are older, you understand the value of preservation. You've seen how things from your youth disappeared as time passed. The toys you played with, the old radios, the permits, the currency notes, the coins. Many are gone or damaged, and only a few survive in perfect form. The same happens with coins. And those few survivors can sometimes shock the world with their value when collectors compete for them. But listen carefully, because this is the moment most viewers wait for. Every coin has a story, but some coins gain extraordinary value when two conditions meet: a rare mint condition and the presence of a powerful collector who wants it at any price. In the high-stakes world of elite auctions, where wealthy collectors chase prestige, history, and personal passion, a coin can sometimes leap far beyond its normal worth. Oh, imagine this coin, 1998 1 Dirham coin history.